Gule 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 hihi le ho ho le hihi. How to get back your Facebook monetization because you lost access to some monetization program. Content monetization, your earnings are limited. Starts, your earnings are limited. Subscription, your earnings are limited. Start from, your earnings are limited. This is Look at this, my friend. This is You can earn money through content monetization. You can earn money from Star right now. You can earn money from subscriptions right now. You can earn money from short form right now. How to get back the monetization, all monetization tool? How to restore this? So this is easy, my friend. First, you should delete the video that indicate or inauthentic engagement. Your ability to earn is limited, so your pet lost access to some monetization tools because like our technology. Okay, how to restore this? This is to restore. First, you should go to this three dot and go to no, not here. Wait, not here. Okay, wait. Three. Okay. Wait. Okay. Go to this shortcuts. Help and support, my friend. Okay, and report a problem. Okay. Go back. Just check your port or continue to report a problem. Okay, include and just choose another one like status update or start or subscription. Okay, you can okay, status update, upload from phone. Okay, okay, first you should screenshot your limited uh, earning like that, my friend, and choose this. I lost some tools monetization on my Facebook page. Please fix it. Thanks. And then send. Okay, just wait, my friend. Financing back of my internet or the system just solo to like that. Okay, finalizing back for. Sorry. Okay, thanks for your feedback. Have okay, just like that, my friend. And your channel maybe will be back about 1 week or about 3 months. Thanks.